The French woodworker Canjaere demonstrates how businesses with smaller quantities of wood byproducts can also benefit from a pelletizing plant. Located in eastern France, the company manufactures water-resistant wood components for outdoor use, such as decking, facade cladding, etc. The byproducts generated during production are being processed into fuel pellets since October 2024. At the beginning of 2024, the decision was made to implement a compact pelleting module from the pelletizing specialist SALMATEC. The system was delivered turnkey by the German machinery and plant manufacturer and went into operation in October 2024. In addition to the technical strength of the individual components, the system is also characterized by the quick and easy installation at the target site. The production process starts at the hammer mill, where dry wood shavings, sawdust, and wood chips are milled before water and starch are added in the conditioner. The material mixture is then blended in the ripening bin to create a homogeneous mass. After a retention time of about 15 minutes, this mixture is fed into the Maxima 450 pellet mill. Using the proven dual-motor belt drive, the machine produces roughly 1 ton per hour. Immediately after pelletizing, the hot pellets fall into the screening cooler. The unique aspect of this system design, the pellets are cooled directly without further conveying, while the fine particles are sieved out and fed back to the material input. The plant can produce around 8,000 tons of EN plus A1 pellets annually to meet local and regional demand. This project impressively demonstrates how smaller companies, even without roundwood processing, can utilize the pelleting technology to enhance their value chain and produce a sustainable energy source. Visit us online or contact us directly to learn more about the possibilities of compact pelletizing.